First, open Veo AI through the supported Google AI video generation interface. To create hyperrealistic AI videos, start by describing your scene as clearly and realistically as possible. Begin with the main subject, then describe the environment, lighting, materials, textures, camera movement, and overall mood. For example, you could describe a realistic professional chef preparing food inside a modern restaurant kitchen, with natural skin texture, detailed clothing, realistic steam. Stainless steel surfaces, soft window light, subtle camera movement, and documentary-style cinematography. When writing your prompt, focus on physical details that make the scene believable. Describe realistic lighting, natural shadows, reflections, surface textures, atmospheric conditions, and accurate proportions. Also describe how the subject should move. Avoid unrealistic or exaggerated movements unless they are intentionally part of the scene. Camera movement can also make a major difference. Try slow tracking shots, controlled handheld movement, gentle push-ins, or realistic camera pans depending on the scene. After generating the video, watch it carefully. Look for unnatural facial movements, strange object shapes, distorted hands, unrealistic physics, inconsistent lighting, or sudden changes in the environment. If you notice a problem, modify your prompt instead of completely changing the scene. For example, if the lighting looks artificial, add clearer instructions about natural light and realistic shadows. If the character